Hello,
welcome back.
How time flies, I know now it's time for the Q&A question. And let's see, today have many visitors, and we can see one of these visitors leave us this message. What is the elevator? Okay, let me explain in brief. An elevator is an vertical transportation vehicle that efficiently moves people and goods between floors of a building. They are generally powered by electric motors that either drive traction cables and counterweight systems. The first one elevator was invented in 1852 in the USA. And Neil, you know how many elevators are using now?
I'm not sure.
Well, nowadays, China is the biggest number of using elevators in the world. And WINONE's elevators have served these markets over 18 years.
Wow, it's quite a long time.
Yes, exactly.
So, do you have any questions?
Yeah.
Any questions too?
Yeah, for the second question from the viewer named called Peter was asked, what is the difference between lift and elevator? An elevator has the total enclosed cab and require a shaft. A shaft is a wall ensure that surrounding the cab and the machinery. A lift is typically have an open cab, expect panel on the side of the platform. Lifts are generally more base and lower cost than elevator.
Okay.
Yeah, and I got a question from our visitors.
Oh.
Is there any danger or sudden power failure during the elevator operation? For now, I can give you some answer. That if there is a sudden power failure or failure of the power supply line during the elevator operation, the elevator will automatically stop running without any danger. Because the elevator itself is equipped with electrical and mechanical safety device. Once the power fails, the elevator brake will automatically brake and making the elevator unable to run. In addition, we will adapt with the ARD configuration, ARD device in our standard configurations.
Cool.
Yeah.
When the ARD operation function is okay, now even the power failure suddenly.
Yes.
The ARD will do the operation, and then the elevator cabin will move to the nearest floor, near to our cabin. Then the door will be opened to release the passenger from the elevator. So our passenger is already safe, even in the power failure.
It's very safe function.
Yeah. So when people taking the elevators, please keep in mind that if the power is off, please don't worry, and the elevator will help to leave you out of the elevator. So this is our elevator function with the ARD, auto rescue device.
Yes.
So what's the next question, Leo?
Next question is,
maybe I ask you some question.
Cool.
On some our customer will ask us, do you have any such as say that the IoT system which you use in your elevator, right? I want to make it in the overseas market, but what kind of the server maybe you need to offer, or we can do that together in the future?
Yes, I think the IoT system is connected to the homeland of China mainland and the overseas markets telegram company to have their joint cooperation for the systems, which can support the IoT in system.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah. And can I have you ask some questions that Stefan, in the Southeast Asia country, which is very near from China mainland, then many Chinese people go outside, and do they have any supported for our WINONE elevator?
Speaking about this supported, in our Cambodian market, we have our office in there, and our engineer will stay in Cambodia for a long time. If you have any question about the technical in the Cambodian market, our engineer will go to the project place immediately.
Yeah.
But of course, even in Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, and Indonesia, Laos, and Vietnam. Even if you need any technical requirements, you can call to us and or maybe send the emails to our email address, and then we will send our engineer to your project site to help you to solve the problem in the situation, in a real situation.
Yeah, so it's a warm notice that our official email address is overseas@winone.cn. Please, anyone have any question, or if you are interested in our products, please do not hesitate to send us email. And
also, if you have any question, then you can leave the comment down below. And
Yeah.
also, you can send, if you have any question, also you can send the question to our email address.
yes, that's cool.
Mm-hmm.
So thank you so much for watching today's live show, and I am very
I'm very honest with
Yeah,
my
it's
partner,
very-
Rachel and Stephen.
Thank you.
today.
Thank you. I love
Thank
you.
you,
You are so
thank you.
handsome.
Yeah, lastly,
Yeah,
let me show you what is coming next for next few days.
let's see.
Yeah, on the next week, in 20th June, we will introduce our passenger elevator and panoramic elevator and hospital elevator. And on the second day, yes, it means the Tuesday, our villa elevator will come back again and will show you what kind of the villa elevator and our configuration we will offer. On the Wednesday, that means 22nd in June. So our freight elevator and car elevator will show to our visitors again. And on the 23rd, Liliana and Remo will introduce our escalator and moving walk. Then on 24th, this is the last day of our Canton Fair live show. And Leo, Rachel, and me will introduce our elevator accessories again.
Yeah, so please keep focusing on WINONE live show channel, and
Yes.
you will know much more about WINONE elevators.
Yeah, true.
That's all for today.
Yes.
Time flies. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Bye
for watching.
bye.